All right, here we are. The day has come. We have a 2001 Mazda MX-5 Miata. This is the NB2. Fun fact, actually, I've never driven a Miata before. Can you believe that? So this is a super special day for me. There's just something about Miatas before. I just wasn't like super interested in them. But now that I've been learning about them a little bit, I realize how special they really are. I mean, what else can you get for the price? Limited slip differential, 6-speed manual, 1.8 liter naturally aspirated. This thing only weighs like 2,400 pounds. It has 142 horsepower, 125 pound-feet of torque. And something this light in this package, I mean, Mazda's mission was just try to make the cheapest, well, the most affordable true sports car they could, you know, for the money, and there's a reason why they've been so successful. So I'd say I like the styling of the NB probably the most so far. I really like this one, the NB.2. This is the 2001, so it does have some upgrades to it. I know they changed it a little bit. This one, I was told, has a little Tupperware body, but I think she looks great, and it has an exhaust on it, so it makes it even more fun to drive. It's pretty incredible. You're going to hear it in a second, but man, I'm pretty impressed by this car. So just coming from the S2000, you know, it sits lower, it feels super nimble, and it has hydraulic steering, which is nice instead of the electric steering a lot of cars have now. So you can really feel all the mechanics in this. I just love it. I just love it. The interior here looks really good. Updated interior. I don't know. Let's just get into it and see how we feel about it, because I'm really fond of it right now. But I just drove it here, so let's go ahead and take it for a real test drive and see how we feel and what I think. So let's go ahead, take it for a spin. All right, here we are driving the MX-5. First time. Beautiful day in Michigan. So excited that I get to do this today. Man, that exhaust just sounds so good. It's so fun when you get to drive a car with an exhaust. A little obnoxious, but you really get a thrill out of it. Feels so stable, so low to the ground. I did put the camera kind of in the way of my knee, so I'm going to do the best I can with the heel toe without kicking the camera off, which I've done in the past. I just watched a video on Savage Geese of the NB video, and I thought it was really intriguing. I like how they had the designer on there, one of the designers talking about it, how he feels about the car. It just makes the car a lot more special than I realized. You know, I'm kind of ashamed to say that I'm oh shit, cough attack. I'm now getting to be pretty fond of this car right now, so let's check it out. cars is supposed to be fun, and that's my philosophy, and this car is nothing but pure fun. There's people out there that have garages full of fancy, fast cars, but they always pick the keys to the Miata. And I think this is why. I'm getting to experience what's so special about these. And in 2001, they switched to variable valve timing, which is new. Helps the mid-range torque. Steering, I can feel everything on the road. Super responsive. The 6-speed manual is really engaging. It's nice and light. Clutch is nice and light. Very easy car to drive. On the streets anyways. I'm sure on the track you really got to learn how to drive this thing. Put it in 6th gear and see what it's like as if we're on the highway. So since we got the 6th gear, going about 70, almost 70. Cruising right along, no problems. Beautiful example too. I love the color of this car. I heard the interior in this is called parchment. It's not called tan like a lot of other interior codes maybe, but parchment, that's pretty interesting. Some loose stone here. I'm not really fond of that, so we're going to turn around. Cruising the back roads does not get much better than this. I'm around 6 feet tall. MX-5. This is a true sports car, as it was intended to be. Alright, that concludes our video on the 2001 MX-5. This is such a good experience for me. Never have driven one before. Huge shout out to Young for letting us take it for a spin. I had such a good time. Let me know in the comments if there's anything I should know about Miatas. And you know, the prices on these are going up steadily, so if you see one and you're fond of it, you better grab it up. So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and we're gonna have a lot more cool videos coming up for you soon. So we'll see you on the next one.